Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt. This is my beautiful wife Candice.
Hi.
And we are expecting our 5th child into the family. Let's take a look at some of the most important items that you need to take with you to the hospital.
Here are the items that I'm going to pack in my hospital bag for our 5th child. So first you want about a medium to large size overnight bag. Then you're going to want to do some breastfeeding appropriate pajamas. Something comfy, nice and soft, maybe something that's cute for pictures. I've got a long robe here as well. And then I also opted this pregnancy to do a gown, a labor and delivery gown. So that's optional. I wanted to do it this time just because it is more comfortable and it fits better. And I labor my kids unmedicated. But it does have the capability of having the back open and the front open, and it's breastfeeding ready. So it's really nice. It's from Kindred Bravely if you guys wanted to look into getting one of those for your labor and delivery.
I think it looks a lot prettier too. While me as a father sitting there watching you, I would much rather look at something like this than just a typical hospital gown that's a light blue and might have blood stains or something on it. I think this is a really pretty option.
Yeah, and I opted for a darker color so that way if you do get blood stains on it from labor and delivery, it's not going to show as much, and then you can rewash it and use it at home for breastfeeding and wearing around the house as well. I've got 3 pair of socks here, one nice and cozy just in case you get cold while doing labor and delivery. I've got 3 nursing bras, one very light lined one that's comfy for sleeping, one that's got a little bit more padding in it, just a regular nursing bra. Then I got a pumping bra too, just in case you're in the hospital for a little longer, depending on the health of mama and baby. I have a light long sleeve, since this is a winter birth, breastfeeding shirt, a nice pair of little joggers here, just all comfy stuff, another breastfeeding sweater. Now, I did pack a little bit of a nicer one in case you do want to do hospital pictures. And then I've got a pair of maternity black plain leggings because you are still going to have a little bit of a belly after you give birth. It doesn't go all the way down, so you're still going to be fitting into your maternity clothes. And then the hospital should give you some mesh underwear to wear, but I did pack 2 pair of underwear to, just in case I decided to be a little bit more comfy on the ride home from the hospital. Then a couple of other important things that we have here. We've got your makeup bag because, you do want to look pretty for pictures with your new baby. So we've got just makeup bag here, toiletry bag, some nice important items that I have in here, of course, is deodorant, opt for natural deodorant, aluminum free. If you wear contacts, contact solution and contact case, some shampoo, conditioner, your face wash and serums, chapstick is a must, a razor, extra contacts just in case you pop one out of your eye or lose one, and some lotion, a brush, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So just the typical toiletries in your toiletry bag here. You don't want to forget a phone charger.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is a must because you have time to pass in the hospital and you want to get good pictures too. Mommy needs some nipple butter, some breast pads in case your milk does come in early and you don't want to be leaking everywhere. This pregnancy around, I did opt to get the silver cups, nipple cups for pain in case you do have some nipple pain. For those first few weeks of breastfeeding, I'm going to take those to the hospital with me as well. You just place those over the nipples, and that's supposed to reduce the pain and help with healing as well.
Where'd you get these from?
Ordered those on Amazon.
Okay.
Yep. And then nice, big, comfy breastfeeding pillow that I just got from Walmart, just a plain regular one. Any type of breastfeeding pillow is good, just something that's going to help your back out and help breastfeeding with that baby. Another must-have is a nice cozy blanket. The hospital's blankets are no good. They're not comfortable. They're not as warm. And I like soft, cozy. And then another thing that you do want to take is a pillow. I would say both for you and for daddy, because daddy needs a comfy pillow. Hospital pillows tend to be plastic, almost kind of rubbery, so they don't tend to do well in the hospital, and they're not comfortable. And then last but not least, daddy needs some clothes.
A couple clothes for me. How many days do you think we're going to be spending in the hospital?
In a typical birth with no complications, you're there for 1 to 2 nights. C-section births are usually 2 to 3 nights. And then, of course, if you have preemies and that have to be in the NICU, you may be in there for a week or more. Okay. So it depends, I think, on the situation. Obviously, you can always go home and get more clothes if needed. But we're planning on only being there for 1 to 2 nights.
I hope so. I hope 2 nights. If it looks like 2 to 3 nights, I may have to just go ahead and pack another outfit in there. But for me, I usually wear the jeans twice a day. And then I like to have a little bit of reading material, something to keep me entertained while mommy's napping and the baby's napping. And I'm over there sitting by myself, need something to do. All right, I think that pretty much covered everything.
That covered everything for mom and dad. And then we'll go over baby. So packing a diaper bag for the baby for the hospital.
Okay. Well, Candice and I wanted to thank you for tuning into the channel and watching the content. Did I just say tuning in?
Yeah.
I don't even think people know what tuning in means anymore. It's not like we have bunny ears on top of the TV anymore. So thanks for following along. We hope that this helped you in your decision making at home. Maybe take the stress off of some of these important decisions you're going to be making with a newborn baby. We're praying for you. We hope that you have a wonderful delivery experience. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Happy birthing.